So I'm not sure what happened to the part where I put down the garland. I don't know where that footage went, but we're gonna start from here. Start with these white snowflowers, and I'm just gonna put them in randomly. And I'm not gluing them on because I might want to use it for something else. Then I'm gonna take these red ones and do the same thing. I'm gonna put them in, you know, probably in between, just so you have a little red in between everything. I'm gonna take these that are just like those little cherry things, and these I'm gonna actually put in here, right up here, and then I'm gonna put one here, maybe one here. So these you might not really see, but they just give it a little bit of something. Then I have these icicles. I'm gonna put them in randomly, just sticking out. I'm gonna put one here. I'm gonna put one like right over here. Then I'm gonna hang these bigger bowls. So might have to go the other way. So I have this here for support, and then I have this elephant here for support. So I'm gonna put it like right here. Then I'm gonna take a red one, and I'm gonna put it like this one. I'm gonna put here, just right into the hook. And then this one I'm gonna put here, and I'm just bending the garland to hold it, because I think that's gonna be pretty. And then I have another red one, which will go right around here. And again, I'm just gonna bend the garland. And then I have these stars, and I'm just gonna place one like right over here, and then the silver one kind of like right over here. Hopefully you can see it. Let's see. And then I still have another bowl, but I also want to put this gold deer like right in here. And then this tree, like maybe like right here, just where I'm seeing like some emptiness, like right there. And then I think I'm gonna put gold leaves, and I'm gonna hang them. I want them to like fall like right right there. With the Garland. And then I'm gonna put this one maybe like over here. Again, I want it to just fall. Just like that. Let's see. You down. So this is how it's looking. And I want to put in a couple of more of those cherry picks. So that I'll be picking up maybe later today. And then I'll put that in, and then I'll show you guys an updated photo in Instagram. So that's how that looks. Let me turn this light off. Just like that. And I need to put something here. Like that. But I really like it. Simple, but still pretty. And I feel like in the dark, it'll look even more better. So I'll show you pictures of that later tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.